Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cheesy macaroni and cheese, or some people would say macaroni pie. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious macaroni and cheese, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you how to make this delicious macaroni and cheese. Oh, and all my ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below as well. Alright, so enjoy. Hey guys, today we're going to be making some macaroni and cheese, or some people say macaroni pie. So here are my ingredients. We have some mustard, black pepper, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, chicken seasoning, mustard hot sauce, all-purpose seasoning, carnation milk, a pack of elbow macaroni, 1 egg, and some salt here. And here's the cheese here. Alright, so the first thing, I have some water on already on the stove there. So I'm gonna put in my pack of macaroni into the pot to boil. Before I do that, I'm gonna put in my salt, and then I'm gonna pour my macaroni and let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll be back. So my macaroni finished boiling, so I'm going to strain it now, and I'll show you guys the next step. We'll be back. Okay, so my macaroni finished straining out. So first thing I'm going to do is put in 1 cube. I'm going to put some ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder. Check the description box, all the measurements and ingredients. Paprika, mustard hot sauce, and I'm going to put some normal mustard now. And you're going to mix everything together. Mix, mix, mix. When everything already mixed in, you're going to put some of your cheese inside of it. Right, and let the cheese melt in the warm macaroni. Alright, so we'll be back. I'm also going to be putting some carnation milk and 1 egg. I'm going to mix it up. Alright, so you're going to butter your pan now. I'm going to use this pan here, so I'm going to butter my pan. Finish butter my pan, so I'm going to pour macaroni now into the pan. Press this down here. Pour a little bit like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some cheese on it. Alright, so every layer gonna have some cheese on the macaroni. Then I'm gonna put some more. And then I'm gonna put some more cheese. Alright. Then you're gonna put another step, another spoon. And then spread it out. You pour the balance in. spread it out, and you're gonna put more cheese up top. All right, and then you're gonna put it into your pan to bake for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So just put some more cheese on the macaroni up top. So now what you're gonna do now, just sprinkle a little paprika on top of the macaroni. Put it in the oven now. We'll be back. Mac and cheese bubbling. Yummy. Okay guys, so my macaroni just finished. I just take it out of the oven. So this is how it's looking here. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Wow. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Look at the inside, guys. It's so cheesy, all the layers. My God, it's gonna be so good, so good. I'm gonna taste a piece. So cheesy. Wow. This macaroni and cheese is so good, guys. You guys have to try this recipe. God damn, this macaroni and cheese is so good. Wow. Okay guys, bye. I'm doing 3 dishes today. I'm doing my roast chicken, my macaroni and cheese, and my Christmas rice. So look out for all 3 of those videos, alright?